Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fun Fold Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's video, we are featuring the Round of Hellos stamp set, just that sentiment that says thank you. I'm inking it up with Calypso Coral ink. I'm stamping down on a piece of basic white normal stamping weight paper that is cut by the Stylish Shapes dies, the circles. So quite a few folks are enjoying the post-it notes that I am using with my fun folds. However, you don't have to write anything down, folks. I do have a downloadable PDF that is for free. I am not charging for them. So you're more than welcome to put that down. That has the picture of the card that I'm making in, and it has all the sizings and everything. And this video is a description of it. So basically we are making the front of the card. So I put a little strip of paper, and this paper is called Lovely and Beautiful. And I'm using all sorts of elements from it. I'm also using Peach Pie cardstock, which is this piece of cardstock that I'm using right now. So I'm adhering the papers together. So with the little strip there, right in the center of this card. So this is a little mini card. It's a small card, and I am going to put a piece of white on the inside. So this is going to be the mini card that is going to be in the middle of and opposite. It opens opposite to the way a normal card would open. You'll see, you'll pick up what I'm throwing down in a second. So now that that is complete, I'm going to put our little sentiment on top with dimensionals, and then we will move forward on. So again, there's a link in the description where you can pick up this PDF for free. I'm happy to do it for you. It's not that hard for me to write up a little PDF. But yeah, it's a fun little fun fold, I guess. And it's a simple one at that. I don't like overcomplicating cards. So this piece of card is 4 1/4 by 8 1/2. We're scoring at 3 inches. I do have a piece of this. It's called Lovely and Beautiful paper, and it really is quite lovely. Has gold, it's specialty, right? It has gold in it. So I'm putting this on the inside of the card, and then another piece I'm going to put on this front flap. And I think it's the same pattern. It might be it's slightly different. So I'm using a whole bunch of patterns from this paper pack. Of course, you don't have to use what I'm using. You're more than welcome to, take this design and create your own. So now here is that little mini card that is going to go on the inside. And I am just going to center that up as best as I can, just using my eyeballs. I'm not going to measure, but you can see how it's going. I put adhesive on the back side of that card, and then I'm going to press it down. It's so simple. It's just a simple card, but it's definitely something unique. So these little bits and bobs, these little flowers, I have metal butterflies, there's some pink sequins. You probably haven't seen them before. This is from the Advent, the 12 Days of Advent Advent box. It was a nice little 12-day Advent that I got near around in December, I guess. And it's on last chance right now. It's for sale. It's at a discounted price. And these are the embellishments that you got from them. I just adore them. So I'm using them to decorate my card today. Hopefully, if you have it, you can see how pretty these little flowers and the metal butterflies and the sequins are. So if that encourages you to purchase that box, there's also dies and a whole bunch of other things. So I hope that you take advantage of it. Anyway, I'll leave links in the description box below in case you want to check any of the products out for yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thank you for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.